Hi, my name is Jason Pugh. I am the chief preparator here at the Hammer Museum. I coordinate all of the installation of the exhibitions, and today I will be cooking 2 eggs for Sarah Lucas's work, 2 eggs and a kebab. The piece requires 2 sunny-side-up eggs. They need to be cooked in a manner that's fairly specific. So for the Sarah Lucas show, it's a very interesting installation, and there are a lot of curious works to maintain. One of the main unusual things is maintaining vegetables and eggs, meat, in the space to make sure it doesn't go bad and alter the meaning of the artwork. The key for this is how you crack the egg onto it. You don't want the yolk to break, and the white should be a general uniform shape. So to do that, we open it very carefully. Sourcing the food, usually that's much like location scouting or anything. I would go to various supermarkets and farmers markets and look at the produce. The eggs, we looked for eggs that had very yellow yolks. The vegetables we source based on their suggestiveness, say, in the spirit of the works. So obviously the one with the cracked yolk, unacceptable. It's not art. These ones will be art, however. Up until this exhibition, my exposure to Sarah was really sort of scattershot. Her personality allowed me to see the work in some different ways that was really kind of poignant to me. The exhibition is so different than many other ones where the work is sort of static and fixed. The materials are very organic, and they're just really funny. We'll put these for the public to view when we open.